Hi, what is up YouTube? Thank you for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to be upgrading this laptop. This is the Toshiba Satellite P875, as you can see here. And I've had this laptop for over 6 years and now it's running very slow. And yeah, why not upgrade it and give it a couple of more years. This computer really takes a lot of beatings, and I have a couple of keys that are not working anymore, so I went ahead and ordered this replacement keyboard. This is also backlit, so very nice to have. It also supports two 2.5-inch drives, and I will be upgrading one of the drives with this Western Digital SSD drive. This is a way faster drive when compared to the hard drives. No spinning disk in there, so this is a solid state drive, which makes it run a lot faster, especially when it's used as a boot drive. So I will be using this 500 gigs one for faster boot time and better read and write speeds. So right now I have Ubuntu installed in it. I think I'm gonna just wipe this out and reinstall Windows in dual boot with Linux again. 16 gigs of RAM and Intel Core i7-3630 running at 2.4 gigahertz, which is decent. Then I have Intel HD Graphic 4000 and 1.3 terabyte in total, and I'm running Ubuntu 20.10 on 64 bits. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn this off, take it apart, wipe it out, do some cleaning, and yeah, proceed with the replacements. So the bottom panel is also messed up, but I'm just gonna keep it for now. I don't think I'm gonna even replace it. It also doesn't have a battery anymore. The battery died. Alright, so the old keyboard is removed. Let's put that aside. And now we got the motherboard removed. So I was using these two hard drives, one 500 gigs and the other one 750 gigs, and now I'm gonna go ahead and swap one with the faster SSD drive right here.